Good afternoon. My name is Diana Estrada. I am doing my presentation for third grade over publishing. So to get the lesson started, I would be showing the students a video. However, we're going to skip that part and just go straight to after the video. So students, who can tell me what your favorite part about the whole writing process has been so far? Okay, revising and editing. Good. Okay, well, why is that your favorite part? Because you get to fix all your little mistakes. Good. Yes, that is a good thing to do when revising and editing. You get to look at everything that you've done and revise it, and you get to fix it, and you get to make it better. Okay, so who else has a different favorite part? Outlining. Okay, why is that your favorite part? Because you get to put all your ideas into place. Good, yes. So with outlining, you get to write everything that you have. You get to plan for your story. You get to jot down any ideas that come to mind about a certain topic. So let's say the topic is horses. You get to write everything that you know about horses. You get to write everything that you want to know about horses, maybe, so you can do research. And then from there, you'll choose different topics that will, in at the end, benefit you in what you're trying to say. So you get to choose what it is that you want to say in your story. Okay, so one more. Who can tell me one last favorite thing about the writing process? Okay, yes. So when it comes to actually writing, it is good to do several drafts, and it is good to have different to write your story different multiple times so that you can change some stuff. Maybe you didn't like the introduction and you want to change it. So writing it several times, it is part of the writing process, and it's a good part of the writing process too. Now, today we are actually going to go into publishing, which is the last step about your writing process. When it comes to publishing, we perfect or we try to make our story as best as we can because we're going to present it to a different audience. So far, your audience has only been yourself. Maybe you've done peer review and you've had your classmates fix it for you, but it's still between us. Now, we're going to make our audience larger because we're going to present it to the whole classroom, and we're actually going to send this home and present it to all of the parents. So your parent is going to read your story, but your parent is also going to read your classmates' stories. So we're going to go ahead and share this with everyone. Now, when it comes to publishing, we want to have it be as perfect as we can make it be. We want to make it as best as we can make it be, and this we can do this by revising and editing one last time. We also want to have pictures, illustrations. We could have one illustration that summarizes everything that we've done or everything that you put in your story. Or with picture books, you could have one or two, maybe three sentences in one page, and then have a picture that summarizes whatever's in that page. It's up to you what you want to do with your story. All I'm asking is that you make it as best as you can, and you put one, two, three pictures, whatever you want. And you guys also have the option of either writing it out and actually like handwritten, or you can type it out and we can scan your pictures, or you can look for pictures online. It's all up to you. You can use your creativity to do whatever you want as long as you complete this project and we get to share it with everyone so that your audience grows and you get to share it. Now, publishing as a whole other aspect is actually a bit lengthier when it comes to publishing an actual book. When it comes to publishing an actual book, it goes through more people, and more people go and look at your stuff so that it can be as best as it can be. So, for example, here we've had peer review. So when it comes to publishing, you would have a lot of people peer review it. So that's what I want you guys to do, is go ahead and ask around people to read it to make sure that it's perfect. Sometimes all you need is an extra pair of eyes to spot on you a little mistake. So that is what we're going to go ahead and do now.